ang tawag nito ay
Crescent Nutella Rolls. And you can put banana. Okay, so you're gonna roll it like that. But first of all, you have to butter the pan so they won't get burned underneath. Okay, so the bottom won't get burned. So this is how you do it. Okay, you spread the Nutella and then roll it. Okay, put it in a. Okay, after you make all the crescent Nutella rolls, okay, you're gonna put a little butter or glaze. Okay, if you have a brush, it'll be better, but if you don't have, it's okay. Okay, make sure you put each one of them. Okay. In the oven, okay, for 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. But first thing, you have to reset your oven, preheat it for 375 degrees, okay? Nutella rolls. Okay, but we're still gonna add a little butter on the top. Alright, turn off the oven. Crescent Nutella rolls, okay? So you put melted butter on the top after you bake it, and you can add little pieces of bananas, okay? Alright. Okay, this is Crescent Nutella rolls. After you bake it, you put a little melted butter on the top, and you can add little pieces of bananas, okay? There you go. And this is the regular version, okay, with butter. Okay, and that's how it came out, okay? All right, there you go. Crescent Nutella rolls with banana and butter. Yummy, guys. Little snack. Okay. Mm. 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 Mm.
I want it. I want to eat it, all of this.
Mami, no.
Sarap ang snacks, guys.